Just as promised by Governor Alex Otti that the state government would have an additional 20 buses to add up to the already existing buses in Abia State. Remember a few weeks ago, the state government flagged off the constructed Umuahia Central Bus Terminal, now known as the Nena Oti Bus Terminal. And they said that additional 20 are already on the way. And as it stands now, if they get to Abia State, would I have 40 of them already existing and more to come in before the end of the year. So in this very video, I'm here to confirm to you that these buses are already on their way. According to a statement put out by the Chief Press Secretary to Governor Alex Otti, Njoku Ukoha, who said that Governor Alex Otti's administration has announced the departure of a second batch of 20 electric buses from China to Abia State. The new shipment will increase Abia's electric bus fleet from 20 to 40 buses. The buses are expected to arrive and be operational before the end of next month. The initiative is part of Governor Alex Otti's plan to reform and modernize the transportation sector in Abia State. Just the same way I love what is going on in Enugu State at this very point as far as transportation is concerned, and I see the fact that the governor is heading towards that direction, and that is quite beautiful for Abia State transport sector. According to Otti's administration, the project aims to reduce urban air pollution, lower transportation costs for residents, position Abia as a leader in clean energy transportation in Nigeria. The 40 bus fleets will serve major cities including Aba, Umuahia, Ohafia, and key intrastate routes. Right? Charging infrastructure is already being installed at strategic terminals and locations across the state. Abia-based drivers and technicians have been trained to operate and maintain the electric buses. The project is expected to create a new green energy jobs for residents. The transition from fuel and diesel-powered vehicles to electric buses is expected to provide clean air, quieter cities, reduced transport fares, more sustainable public transportation, and the electric bus program is being promoted as a key component of Governor Alex Otti Rebuild Abia agenda. So, this is where we are at these very points. Governor Alex Otti promised, and this time around he is set to deliver. So we should be expecting these buses maybe before the end of this month or before the end of June. But again, I remember the last time we talked about this on radio, some persons were asking that this shouldn't just be for Umuahia or Ohafia and Aba, that they should at least one bus dedicated to the Abia State University, Uturu, one or more. Because of the high rate of, bike accident that happens from Uturu to the main campus itself, that they should at least dedicate a bus from Uturu going into ABSU. And some communities within Abia State have also asked that at least for their farm produce, one of the buses should be dedicated to few local governments in Abia State. Let it not just be about Umuahia, Aba, and Ohafia. That let every other part of Abia State have a feel of this new development. But exactly what do you think? Let me know in the comments. This video is going to be as short as possible because it's just an update video at this very point. So once again, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Let me know what you think. Should there be more buses, and should the ones available be distributed equally to every local government in Abia State? Drop your take in the comments, and don't forget to like this one, and as well as hit the notification bell, and please don't forget to subscribe. And finally, our videos are now open for advert placement and collaboration. So if you're interested, the number at the top of your screen is available for you. You can call or send a WhatsApp message so we can build a good business relationship. Until the next one, thank you so much once again for watching, and bye for now.